Hey guys, on today's episode, we're going to be checking out the highly anticipated 2020 Chevy Corvette. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing if you are an automotive enthusiast. On today's episode, we're going to be checking out the highly anticipated 2020 Chevy Corvette. This car has been extremely hyped up. It's the new mark for the Chevy Corvette. It's a C8. And if you've been living under a rock and you have no idea, but it's the rear end or the mid-engine model of the Chevy Corvette. Today we're going to be heading over to Stillwater Motors in Stillwater, Minnesota. So this is going to be my first time seeing it in front of me. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of the C8 Chevy Corvette. If it's overly hyped, if it's underhyped, let me know what you guys think and if any of you guys are going to purchase one. All right, let's head on over there and check it out. Guys, we're back at the office. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did enjoy it, make sure to hit the like button on the video. It does help the channel out a lot. And if you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing for ongoing content. My thoughts on the C8 Corvette is that it's a piece of art, honestly. I love that they went to a mid-engine. People say it looks like a McLaren, it looks like, X, Y, and Z. There's only so many ways that you can really model a car to be aerodynamic, in order to just have a low friction coefficient, when it comes to drag forces and stuff like that. So it's gonna look similar to a lot of, these exotic cars or whatever. So I think it's a good step for Chevy, for them to stay competitive with a lot of the other manufacturers that have mid-engines. They're obviously substantially less expensive or more economical than some of the other manufacturers. The quality that I saw from the interior and stuff like that was pretty good. It wasn't terrible by any means. It was definitely well thought out. I'd love to drive one. I don't think I'd ever own one, but I would love to, hopefully, I'm going to put this on vibrate. I would love to take one on a track and test drive it and see what the driving capabilities are, compared to, my GTR or, a McLaren 570S. I think that would be still kind of in its class, on the higher end, obviously. But nonetheless, I think it's a really good first year model. And then, when the Z06 comes up, I'm not extremely familiar with all the Corvette models. So please don't destroy me in the comments, but yeah, I can appreciate a piece of art when I see it. And with that being said, guys, appreciate you guys sticking through this video. I appreciate it, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.